Don't make this mistake. Don't microwave your nachos.
Did you pick up a spork for your nachos? Those are for limp chips. Did you spend half the game cooking last year on game day? Did you miss the second half? Did your friends watch the game while you were cooking?
We're going to give you our tips today to cook some of the best chicken nachos you've ever had. Now, we're going to put our own flair on it. These are going to be Bluff City Grub nachos.
We're going to do Chicken Nachos Supreme. We're going to show you how to plan a day ahead so that you can get all of your game day food ready in 30 minutes or less. Don't miss the kickoff this year.
There's something that makes our chicken nachos stand out from other chicken nachos. And we're going to... I got nothing.
Greg, we're just making nachos. Roll the intro.
What up? Game day.
Game day nachos.
Welcome to another episode of Bluff City Grub. Hey, if you like the recipe that we prepared for y'all today, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment on our channel.
If you guys want to jump ahead, the recipe's below. Skip the video.
Alright, so we're going to be doing Chicken Nachos Supreme. Now, one of the things that's going to set these chicken nachos off is we're not going to use chicken breasts today. We're going to use chicken thighs. And the reason we're going to use chicken thighs is because chicken thighs have a decent amount of fat on them. They break down really easy. And guess what? It's not going to be dry when you shred them for the chicken nachos. So we're just going to clean these up real quick. Nothing special here. Just get a little bit of that fat off the side. These are boneless and skinless, by the way. You'll see them in the recipe below. Just kind of clean them up a little bit, get the little excess off.
I'll tell you what, Greg, one thing that's really going to help out is not having that skin. No one certainly wants skin on their nachos.
Unless you're me. I eat food. Alright, so we got our chicken thighs trimmed up. Like I said, they're thighs, so we're going to have a little bit of fat on it. It's going to melt down as we smoke them. But what we're going to do is we're going to smoke these guys, and that's what's going to set these chicken nachos off. It's going to be smoked chicken thigh meat. We're going to season it real well. We're going to use our Bluff City Rub here. And the thing that really makes these chicken nachos special is we're doing all this the day before. You can do all of this the day before. We're going to smoke the chicken for about, 2 hours on the grill, hour and a half, 2 hours or so. And then we're just going to throw this stuff in the fridge. We're going to shred it, we're going to throw it in the fridge, and it's going to be ready for our nachos the next day. All right, so we got our smoker rolling here. I believe our temperature's up to 250, 275. That's where we want to be at. When you smoke chicken, you want to be on the hotter side because if you don't, it tends to get a little rubbery. We're smoking with pecan today. Oh, look at that. That's what you want. You want to see smoke just bellowing out of it. But we're just going to go ahead and get our chicken thighs on here. And let it roll for a little bit. Get a nice little smoke flavor.
Hey, Greg, be sure to leave room for the chicken wings we're doing for our other video. Of course, that'll be linked at the end.
So we're about 30 minutes in. Let's go ahead and check our chicken. Well, we got chicken thighs, we got chicken wings here. Both looking good. We're going to go ahead and season them again. Bluff City Grub, layers of flavor. That's what we're known for right here. That's how you get the most flavor out of your food. You want to season it as it cooks on the grill. All right, so we got our chicken wings and our thighs flipped here. We're going to go ahead and hit them with another layer of seasoning. This is money here. Now, what we're going to do with the chicken thighs, we're going to cook these to about 180, 185. That's the sweet spot for those, and we're going to shred them. We're going to show you how to do those. Chicken thighs, I think they're about done. Let's go ahead and check them here. About 170, 175. That's about good. They've been sitting on there for a minute. Got a decent smoke flavor. We're going to go ahead and pull these guys off. We'll get them rested. We'll throw them in the fridge overnight. Get these guys rested up. Chicken nachos are going to be delicious. Chicken has been rested overnight. It's really good. We're going to go ahead and get it chopped up for our nachos. Go crossways with it. And then kind of go down the center. Get you some nice cubes there. Want nice, even chunks of it. Real thin so it can spread pretty easy over the nachos. Got our chicken all chopped up. And what I'm going to do is right before I build my nachos, I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lime over the chicken. I'll toss it up. Make sure it gets mixed up real good. All right, we're going to go ahead and start building our nachos. And we got a big 14-inch cast iron skillet here, a restaurant-style tortilla chips. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our cheese. We just got a nice little Mexican cheese blend here. We're going to spread that over our nachos and then do a layer of chicken. Then we're going to do another layer of chips right on top of this one here. And then we're going to go heavy with the cheese on this one. Alright. We're going to put the rest of that chicken right there on top. Alright, we got our oven set at about 400. I'm going to throw this in the oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. And then all the cheese melt. Alright, these chicken nachos should be about done. We're going to go ahead and get these out of the oven. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and build our nachos here. And we got some fresh homemade pico de gallo. And I'll show you how to make that in another video. We're going to put that right there on top. A little bit of guacamole, also homemade. I'll show you that in another video as well. Make it if you like, your discretion. I mean, it's chicken nachos. You do what you want here. This is what I like on my nachos. Star of the dish is a smoked chicken. That's what you really want. We're going to put some jalapenos on this bad boy. Just dump them all on there. And then we got a little bit of cotija cheese. And a little bit of fresh cilantro to top it off. Look at those. Oh man.
How do you make these supreme, Greg?
Nacho Supreme. Just add a little bit of sour cream right there on top. Boom. Bluff City style. Smoked chicken nachos supreme.